Are we on? We're on! Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am unboxing the brand new Latest in Beauty Sunny Time Style edit, and this is the Sarah Jossel edit. There is another edit to choose from. There is the India Night box, but I really wanted this one. I thought it was a banger, and also it's incredible value. It is worth £327. However, it's being sold for 80, and right now there is an extra discount so that you can get it for £60, which is just, my mind is blown. It's like £327 to 60. Like, what is that? Is that like a fifth of the price? Like, I don't even know. I can't do that kind of sum. Anyway, this is the box. I'm going to unbox it. It's really, really, really good, and I'm going to show you what's inside. Also, the link is below, so if you want one, you know where to get it. Anyway, let's open it up and have a look. So I've already unsealed it because I kept getting the hiccups, and then I started filming again and I kept getting a coughing fit. So I'm hoping I'm going to be able to get to the end this time. Anyway, here is the box. Here is a sneaky peek of the contents, and I'm just gonna get in there and show you what is inside. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is my favorite thing in the whole box. This is MZ Skin. It is the most incredible skincare range. However, it is so expensive. It is £95 for this face cream. £95. That's a lot of bang for your buck. Well, that's just a lot of bang. Do you know what I mean? It's a lot of bang, it's a lot of buck. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, it's £95 for this one product alone, which means this is basically £60 and everything else is free, which is crazy. This is worth more than the price of the box alone. It's insane. Anyway, this is the reason I wanted this box, and I cannot wait to dive into it. I am ready to look flawless, you know, I'm ready for that moment. Anyway, the next item that we've got is by Garnier. This is one of their hair masks. I really like them. It smells just like dreamy coconut, kind of like coconut yogurt and sweets. I love it. It's so good. And also, I'm really bad. I keep washing my hair, and like, because Mary's like running wild, I keep washing my hair and not conditioning it. So it's like, and then I kind of come out the shower and I like shove on a load of hair oils and stuff. But I feel like my hair needs a real boost of a really good mask. So that is my really good mask. Okay, next item is Supergoop. So this is a face sun cream. This is the glow screen. It's SPF 30. It's a full size tube. I think this alone is worth around £35, which is incredible. And I am fresh out of sun cream because I've been layering it all over me and all over Mary all summer long. So I'm very excited about that. And then the next item that we have is by Clinismooth. Now, Clinismooth, I'm not sure. This is a skin purifier. I have no idea what this does. It has 7 benefits: purifying, cleansing, soothing, balancing, protecting, calming, recovering. I don't know. I'm going to give it a go. Sarah Jossel thinks it's amazing, so that is good enough for me. So I'll give that a go, but I really don't know anything about it because I've never heard of it, let alone tried it. Okay, so the next item that we have is by Collection, and this is the Filter Finish Primer and Illuminator. I'm looking forward to trying this. I never ever think of buying Collection, so it's quite nice when somebody like Sarah Jossel is like, hey guys, this is really good, it's really like worth going for. So I really like it because it's like, it's a really budget brand, and it's like she just tells you what's good from the brand, so you don't have to try everything, you can just try the highlights. So that is cool, and that is the next item. And then we have these, which I'd never heard of, but they're calm patches. And apparently they're a special selection of herbs to help support and maintain relief of headaches, stress, tension, brain fog, and neck pain. And I'm getting old, so I'm always like getting headaches, getting neck ache, that kind of thing. I love a good herb. So I'm going to try these. I'm going to see how they work. I would open them, but I don't want to because I don't want to waste them. But I'm guessing they're going to smell good and like just open up your soul a little bit. So what's next? Oh, next up we have an old favourite, Bumble and Bumble Heat Shield. Just a nice little travel size, but this will last me like months, so I'm looking forward to that. That is a nice little bonus. Oh, and speaking of bonuses, we have a little bonus extra. These are the Elizabeth Arden Retinol Ceramide capsules, and they are a line erasing night serum. So I'm looking forward to trying these. I think it's a week's worth of product. I really like Elizabeth Arden skincare, so I will give them a go, but apparently they're just like a little bonus that they threw in. It's not even part of the edit, which is crazy. Okay, next thing. Oh, Floral Street, Sweet Almond Blossom. I really like Floral Street. I've been wearing their stuff a lot recently, and it's lovely. Let's see how this is. Ooh, that is lovely. Ooh, apparently it's done with the Van Gogh Museum. Oh, it's really lovely. What does it smell like? Enchanting, sensuous, ethereal, and hypnotic. It's really good. It's just like a really beautiful sunshine floral. And it's quite musky. It kind of has that kind of bookish, old wood, art gallery kind of vibe. Oh, it's lovely. It's really enjoyable. That is lovely. Okay, next item is Dr. Sam's Flawless Cleanser. I don't know this, sorry, apologies, but I will give that a go. I think it's full size because it's 50 ml, so that is cool. And then next item we have is by Thora. Now, I had a quick look up of this, and apparently this is like, it's quite expensive. I want to say it's like pretty luxy. Let me have a look. Yeah, so this alone is worth £34. It's a smoky eye baton. Shades will vary. So let's have a look what shade I have. Hopefully it'll be quite a nice light one. No, it's not. I was like, hopefully it'll be nice and light, but it's not. Yeah, let's give it a go. Can we see? I think it's like an eyelinery one for, you know, when you do a smoky eye and you don't want a bit of liquid liner. It is very pretty though, to be fair. It's really soft. Yeah, it's really soft. I will give this a go. You know, when you're like, I feel like I need to break out of my liquid liner that I've been doing since I was like 18. You know, I need to mix up my makeup once in a while. So maybe I will. And then the next item that we've got is by Spectrum. This is a tall tapered blender brush. So I'm guessing I can use this for my eyes, highlighter, whatever I want. But that is the next item. And I always enjoy Spectrum. And then we have, oh, Trinny London. People go wild for this stuff. I have never tried Trinny London. I think the pots are stackable so that you can like just kind of like almost create your own stack pot system and like, you know, just whip some on your eyes, whip some on your cheek, head out the door. You know, that's what the brand is all about. So I'm looking forward to trying this because I hear such good things about them and I've literally never tried it. So that is the next thing. And I'm just going to tell you the price because I think that's got quite a high price point too. That is worth £24 alone. And then the next item is a blusher and that is worth £20. I'm telling you, there's a lot of bang for your buck in this box. It's incredible. So this, oh my God, I'm just dropping things. I think I had a really bad night's sleep last night because I am just like dropping things all over the show. This is by Sarah Beauty, which is a spicy shade and it's a dew blush. It does look quite dark in the pot, in the jar, in the bottle. And yeah, it does look a little bit intimidatingly dark. But I'm guessing that it's going to just melt in and like look gorgeous. I'm not brave enough to try it in case it is actually really dark, but I will give it a go and report back. So that is the next item. And then I just keep throwing things back in the box at this point, so I'm getting myself a little bit confused. But this next item is by Paulas Choice. It is again full size, and let me just check the price. Yes, this is worth £40 alone. This is the azelaic acid booster. So I'm looking forward to trying this. It's meant to like boost your skin. You can use it once or twice a day. Love Paula's Choice. It's just such a good skincare brand. It's so good. And it isn't cheap. So I'm always excited when it's in a beauty box. And then are we done? Have I done everything? So there we are. I think we are done. I think I've unboxed everything. I hope there's nothing hiding underneath the tissue. Personally, I think it's a banger of a box. There's a couple of things in here which I'm like, I'll use it, I'll give it a go, I'll see what it's like. There's some things that I've literally never heard of, like the Dr. Sam's cleanser, but I'm sure it's great, I'm sure it's lovely, I'm sure I'll love it, I'm sure I'll be an instant fan. But there's a couple of things which I'm like, I've not heard of, or I will give a go, do you know what I mean? But then there's a couple of things where I'm like, I'm so pumped up for these like 5 things, that like these 5 things are like 100% I would buy the box just for those 5 things, and then everything else is like nice bonuses to try. So I feel like it's quite nice because you get the ones which are like winners, but you also get things where you're like, oh, I'll give it a go. I'll have a go. I've never heard of this brand. I'm excited. So for me, the huge winners of the box have to be the Trinny London, because I'm really excited about trying this. The Paulas Choice, again, really excited about trying that. The sunscreen, because I love a luxury sunscreen. I feel like cheaper sun creams, yes, apparently they do the job. However, I do feel like when I'm wearing like quite a cheap sun cream, I feel like they're a bit sticky, they're uncomfortable to wear, they feel a lot heavier. I just don't like wearing them, and it kind of puts me off using sun cream every day, which I know we should, but when they just don't feel good, they're just so like, oh, I can get away with not using it today, and then next thing you know, it's like, oh, I haven't worn sun cream for a month because I just hate the way it feels on my skin. So I personally think that if you feel like that about sun cream, it is worth investing in a higher price point SPF for your face, just because it's so much more comfortable. I don't know what it is, I just hate wearing that really heavy, thick, sticky sun cream as like a day-to-day thing rather than like a beach day thing. So I'm really happy about the Supergoop. I'm immensely happy about the MZ Skin. And then what else? Probably the Garnier for me, because I really love these. I know they're not that expensive, but it's a really nice treat to have. And let's be honest, like when was the last time I went into Boots and bought myself a new hair mask? Like, I just don't, because there's something that are so easily forgotten, and then when you get them in a box like this, you put them on your hair and you're like, oh my god, why do I not do this every week? So I'm really excited about these items, but then I'm also really excited about trying loads of other things in this box, and I just think it's a real winner, so I am excited. Anyway, that's my video. I hope I didn't ramble on too much. If you know MZ Skincare, you will know that this box is worth it for this one product alone. I wouldn't be shocked if people are buying multiple boxes just to get that one product, because it's so good and it's such a bargain. If you know it and you love it, it's such a bargain. And then everything else is just like joy on top. And especially when you consider the fact that you can use this and you're going to have the retinol, and then you're going to protect. It's just so good. And then the Paulas Choice, and then the Trinny, and then, oh, it's just all really good. I love this box. I think it's amazing, and I really wanted to share it with you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.